Well, Derek Llambias is in Glasgow tonight for talks about a role at the club. He wouldn't confirm whether that role is chief executive, but he's assured fans that Mike Ashley's investment is positive news for the club.
I've been invited up here to have discussions with the board, and I'm one of many applicants, so I'm sorry I can't give you any more than that.
Should the Rangers fans be excited about what Mike Ashley's got in store for them?
Mike Ashley's got a great track record, so I think it's... Listen, guys, I can't give you any comment. I'd love to, but I can't.
Should we expect to see you at Ibrox tomorrow for talks with board members?
I'm here until I need to see me.
And are you expected to be appointed to the role of chief executive officer?
As I said, I'm one of many. So that's all I can say. I've just been invited up to have discussions.
Well, earlier, Ali McCoyce paid tribute to Graham Wallace for the job that he did at Rangers, and he backed the board to make the right decision when it comes to Mike Ashley.
Well, it's good news. Of course it's good news. I mean, I've said all along that the club need investment. You know, the football club need investment. That's the first thing. So we've got investment. You know, I have to tell you, I spoke to the chairman this morning, and indeed I spoke to Sandy as well, Sandy Easdale as well on the phone. The board are very comfortable and happy with the decision they've made recently, and as I say, as manager of the club, I'm very happy with that. Also, you know, regarding my own position, having spoken to both gentlemen, they've absolutely confirmed to me, you know, that they want me to continue my job as Rangers manager, and indeed, as you would hope and expect, to concentrate totally and fully my thoughts and my direction on the game tomorrow night, a very tough game tomorrow night. I don't expect to speak to Mike, but you know, I would indeed speak to any shareholder, any shareholder at all, or indeed any board member for the benefit of the football club. I think there's a lot of Rangers supporters haven't been happy with what's happened the last 2.5 years, and listen, I can totally 100% understand a lot of the supporters' frustrations. All I would do as manager of the football club would ask them to continue to give their support to the team.